Hi, my dear students. Welcome to the class. Now we are going for 2018 question paper, that is under your internal reconstruction. See the question. Value is how much? Value is 8,50,000 and the incurred loss. So what is the loss over here? 2,45,000. So definitely we need to go for internal reconstruction. Almost in the question they are going to specify. We are going for some kind of internal reconstruction. See the question. Preference shares are to be reduced to how much? 50 per share. How much preference share hold? Preference share hold is 100. Present is how much? 50. So how much profit? Profit is 50. Entry is what? Old preference share capital account to new preference share capital account to capital reduction account. Suppose the question goes like this. Preference shares are to be reduced to 50 per share and they are going to issue new equity shares. It means for the preference shares they are going to issue in equity shares. So what is the entry now? Entry is old preference share capital account to new equity share account to capital reduction account. Right? Same for debentures also, they are going to issue equity shares. Instead of debentures, they are going to issue equity shares. Entry old debenture account to new equity shares account to capital reduction account. Go for the entry for this. First one, so what is the entry? Old preference share capital account to new preference share capital account to capital reduction. B, right, as it is what we given in the question. How to go with the value? How much old preference share? Old preference share is 2 lakh. Next one. How much new preference share? New preference share. New preference share is only 50 per share. When come to 50 per share, how many shares they issued, that we have to identify. What is the value here? Value is 2 lakh. Per share value is how much? 100. It means we need to calculate, that is 2 lakh divided by 100. We are getting how many preference shares? That is 2000. But almost in the question they are going to specify. If not, we have to calculate like this. So go for here. That is 2000 into 50. 1 lakh. How much profit? That is capital reduction. Next one. Equity shares are to be reduced to 25 each. Per share, 25 each. How much equity share here? Equity share is 100 per share. But at present, instead of paying 100 rupees, we are paying only 25. How much profit is getting? Profit is getting nearly 75 rupees. Entry. Old equity share capital account to new equity share capital account to capital reduction. See, these are all kind of profits. When come to profits, pass the individual entries. If this loss, only last entry. How much old equity share? Old equity share is 4 lakh. How to identify the number of shares? That is 4 lakh divided by 100. How much is getting? 4,000. So 4,000 into how much new? That is 25. That is 1 lakh. So what is the profit? So profit is getting 3 lakh rupees. Being same, equity shares are divided to 25 each. Next one, important. 8% debenture holders are to be take over stock and debtors in full settlement. For the debenture holders, we have to we need to pay some kind of new debentures or new equity shares or through preference shares we are paying the amount. But at present, we can't be able to pay any kind of equity shares or preference shares or debentures. What we are going to do in the sense, in the business, we are having some kind of in the business we are having some kind of stock as well as debtors as well as cash, some kind of plant and land building. For these debentures, we are giving what? We are giving stock and debtors in full settlement. How much debentures? For debentures we have to pay how much of amount? 1 lakh we have to pay. For this 1 lakh, we are paying stock and debtors. How much stock value? 50,000. How much debtors value? 20,000. Remaining how much is profit? Remaining profit is 30,000 for us. So entry. So what is the entry? Old debenture account data, to stock account, to debtors account, to capital reduction account. I think you got the point. If not, example, 8% debenture holders take over cash and debtors. So what is the entry? Old debenture account data, to cash account, to debtors account, to capital reduction account. And come to here, entry, old debenture account data. For the debentures, we are paying what? We are paying stock as well as debtors. How much old debenture we have to pay? For the debentures, we have to pay 1 lakh. But for those 1 lakh, we are paying through by stock 50,000, through by debtors 20,000. How much profit? Profit will get transferred into capital reduction. How much? That is 30,000. We wait what they give in the question. Next, cost of reconstruction of rupees 15,000. Cost of reconstruction, see, what is cost of reconstruction? At the time of internal reconstruction, we are making all those like reduction of share capitals, liabilities, and payment of all the rate of all the kind of losses. In this process, we are incurring some kind of losses. It is called as what? Reconstruction expenses. How much is reconstruction expense here? That is 15,000. It is profit or loss? It's a kind of loss. Those kind of loss we need to pass at last, right? But when come to reconstruction expenses, before that we have to pass one more entry. Why? See, goodwill, it isn't compared because I am incurring loss. If I am incurring any kind of losses, there is any kind of value of goodwill here. But in this situation, cash is not moving out of the business. In this situation also, cash is not moving out of the business. Whereas, when come to your cost of reconstruction of 15,000, at present, at the time of reconstruction, I am incurring some kind of expenses, cash is moving out of the business, right? If any kind of expenses moving out means any kind of expense in the sense entry, reconstruction expense account data to bank account or to cash account. How much? That is 15,000. At the same time, if we are receiving any kind of amount, like sometimes we are going to give from the debenture holders, we are receiving RS, newly issued equity shares, newly issued preference shares, newly issued debentures. In that situation, entry bank account data to equity shares or to preference shares or to debentures we have to consider. Right? Example, we are going to give the question like 61. Issue new equity shares of rupees 100 each of 4,000. Then entries bank account data to equity shares we have to write. Next one. Plant reduced to 50% of its value. Plant reducing, that is depreciating, it comes under last entry. I think because of all the entries, only last entry is what? Last entry is capital reduction account data to capital reduction account data to, which are the compulsory losses you have to consider. One is goodwill, one more is P&L account. Then go for question, is there any kind of losses? Plant reducing. Then one more loss, that is reconstruction expenses. Apart from that, P&L account, cash, no, data, stock, plant, land building, goodwill. That's it. How much capital reduction here? First entry 1 lakh, second entry 3 lakh, fourth entry 30,000. How much? That is 4 lakh, 30,000. By using this 4 lakh 30,000, we have to write off the losses. First one, goodwill 15,000. P&L account 2,45,000. Next one, plant how much? Plant we have to reduce it to 50%. How much plant value is 3 lakh. 3 lakh office 1,50,000. Reconstruction expenses, that is 15,000. that is 4,25,000. How much is left out? This 5,000 you should take it as what? That is capital reserve. But sometimes in the question they are going to specify that balance amount treated as patents, balance amount treated as plant and machinery, balance amount treated as capital reserve. In the sense, this 5,000 you should take it as if it is the question says that balance amount treated as plant and machinery, this 5,000 you should take it as plant and machinery. If it is not specified anything in the sense, this one you should take it as capital reserve. This is the entries. Now go for preparation of balance sheet. For a preparation of new balance sheet, we have to go through the old balance sheet. Which is the first one? That is preference share. How much? 2 lakh. For the preference share, we pass any kind of entry here. For preference share, how much new preference share here? Preference share is, that is 1 lakh. Preference share capital 1 lakh. Next one, equity share. Old is how much? 4 lakh. How much new equity share? New equity share is 1 lakh. Next one, debenture 1 lakh. So see, for the debenture we pass already entry. There is no any kind of new debentures here. For equity shares, new equity shares, preference shares, new preference shares. For debentures there is no any kind of new debentures, so don't consider any kind of debenture value. Next one, bank loan. Bank loan there is no any kind of entry, so consider same value. Bank loan, how much? That is 50,000. Next one, creditor. For the creditor, I think we not pass any kind of journal entry, so consider same amount, that is 1 lakh. At last, one more, that is capital reserve. Capital reserve it comes under here, but I am writing over here. Capital reserve how much? Capital reserve is 5,000. Next one, that is application of fund. If possible, try to divide here. That is shareholders fund, non-current liability, then current liability, and come to application of fund. Which is first one? Goodwill. Goodwill, it is credited. Any asset credited minus any asset debited, and goodwill 15,000. Here is goodwill is credited 15,000 nil. Land and building. Land building, I think for land building we not pass any kind of entry, so consider same value. That is land building. How much? That is 2 lakh. Next one, plant. Plant, I think we are credited. Any asset credited minus plant 3 lakh. 3 lakh minus 1,50,000. How much remaining amount? Remaining amount is 1,50,000. Next one, stock debtors. See, stock debtors is credited. Any asset credited minus. So 50,000 minus 50,000 nil. Debtors 7,000 minus 20,000 nil. Ignore. Cash. When come to cash, be careful. How much cash amount? 2,45,000. In this amount, bank or cash. How much? 15,000 is credited. Credit means we have to minus 2,45,000 minus of 15,000, that is 2,30,000. P&L account credited minus. Two lakh plus 1,50,000 plus 2,30,000, that is 5,80,000. Three lakh. Wait. Sorry. See, cash take it as 20,000. So it's not 2,45,000. Cash is 20,000. 20,000 minus 15,000 is 5,000. So value we are getting 350, 3,55,000. Here 1, 2, 3, 3,50 plus 5, 3,55,000. This is going to prepare balance sheet and journal entries under internal reconstruction. If we follow with 14 marks question, you can easily follow with of 6 marks question as well. And one more, sometimes we are going to ask preparation of capital reduction account. If they ask in capital reduction account, how to prepare capital reduction account? How to prepare a capital reduction account in a sense? See, capital reduction account. How to prepare capital reduction account? See the first entry. Which are dentists dealing with capital reduction? I think in almost all dentists we are having some kind of capital reduction. Capital reduction is credited or debited here. It is credited. Which item debited here? Debited is preferential. So this one is comes under 2. This is comes under by. It is by preferential. Which amount we are preparing? Capital reduction. How much capital reduction here is 1 lakh. Right. Next one. The capital reduction is credited. Which item is debited? Debited is equity share. That is by equity share. What is the value? The capital reduction, that is 3 lakh. Don't consider this amount 4 lakh because we are preparing capital reduction account. From this account, from this transaction, we are getting this much one, this much of amount. Next one. Simply go for here. Capital reduction. Which item is debited here? Debited is debenture. Because of this debenture, I am getting how much of profit? That is 30,000. Next one, no any kind of capital reduction. Next one, capital reduction is debited. Which item is credited? Credit are these items. Let us go for 2 goodwill, 2 P&L, 2 plant, 2 expenses, 2 capital reserve. Again, both are going to be added. This is going to prepare for capital reduction account. I think for 6 months, sometimes we are going to ask preparation of capital reduction account. Right? This is all about your internal reconstruction. Thank you.